We have given two examples and we need to round these numbers to the nearest dollar. So it means that we don't want these digits which we have after decimal point. The last digit which we need is the first digit to the left from the decimal point. This is our ones. We have 9 ones. It means we have to round our number to the ones. How we do this? We have to underline our digits to which we have to round our number. So this is first step, we did this. Next we have to check the digits which is after our underlined digits is 5. When we have 5 or more, what we have to do? We need to add 1 to our underlined digits. And what else? Every digit after our underlined digits we need to change to 0. So 5 we will change to 0, 1 to 0. Decimal point we copy, and now we have to add 1 to 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 0 and we have to add 1 to the next digits. So we have 8 plus 1 is 9. And next 6 we have to copy and dollar symbol. What we get? $689.51 rounded to the nearest dollar is $690. Next example, we have $97.11. We need to round to the nearest dollar. So it means we don't want our cents. The last digit we want is first digit to the left from our decimal point. So we need to round our number to the ones, because third digit to the left from the decimal point is ones. We have 7 ones. So next step, we have to check the digit which is after our underlined number. Underlined digit is 1. When we have less than 5 after our underlined digit, what we have to do? We just copy our underlined digit 7. Everything what we have before our underlined digits we copy, and the digits which we have after our underlined digits we have to change to zeros and dollar symbol. So what we got? We got $97. This is my solution.